A team of members from the Data Preservation Facility, Arctic World Archive, has initiated the deposit of India's ancient historical site, Ajanta Caves, which will be digitized and restored for eternity. A proud moment for India, a country that has the largest number of heritage sites in the world and has been marked over last week. Ajanta Cave is a pride of India. It is one of those few heritage sites that open an entire gateway to culture. The historic event of preserving the deposits was carried out at Svalbard, a remote island in Norway. Talking about the UNESCO World Heritage Site, during the iconic event, Rune Bjerkestrand, founder and managing director of AWA, said in a video, Ajanta Cave is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In 1930, Lawrence Binyon, the director of the British Museum and a leading authority of Asian art, said that every study of all cultures in Asia leads to Ajanta Caves as a gateway of culture. Experts across the globe believe that the paintings of Ajanta have a powerful impact on human consciousness if seen through the right eyes in its original glory. This deposit marks the beginning of a series of deposits of digitized and restored paintings of Ajanta Caves. One of the greatest arts of Ajanta, photographed by Binoy Bhel, is in this token deposit along with papers and quotes on Ajanta Caves and some more restored works. Bjerkestrand also thanked and dedicated the deposit to Leela Keshavji, head of the heritage restoration of Sapio Analytics, who passed away untimely few days ago, while establishing her legacy in form of this deposit. In order to support the initiative, AWA received messages from the greatest industrialists, bureaucrats, and political leaders of India. Talking about the overwhelming support received, the managing director of AWA read a message from the former Cabinet Minister of India, India's current Sherpa to the G20 countries, Member of Parliament Suresh Prabhu.